If you currently have a Foundational Fluencies STEM Lab, converting it to the Early Inventors STEM Lab is a simple process using the Upgrade Kit. And in this video, we'll walk you through how to update your existing lab by removing the materials that are being replaced and installing the updated components. To begin, you'll need your existing Foundational Fluencies STEM Lab and the Early Inventors Upgrade Kit. First, remove the components that will be replaced. This includes the existing lid, printed booklets, and any parts identified in the upgrade instructions. We encourage you to recycle these materials wherever possible. Next, open the bag of larger components found in the upgrade kit and empty them into the side of the container with the other large blocks. Then, open the bag of smaller components and empty them into the side of the container with the other small components. Finally, remove the current lid and replace it with the included one for the Early Inventors STEM Lab. Educators can access the updated curriculum on the KidSpark website by navigating to the curriculum page under the Educator Resources menu. If replacement parts are ever needed, visit Purchase Program Materials, select Replacement Parts, and locate the items that you would like to replace. And with the updated materials in place, your STEM lab is ready for students to begin exploring, inventing, and learning.